Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to PhysioWell Australia series. This is me, Dr. Mariam Sharif, with yet another episode of my series, which is related to Australia and all the information relating to that. In this video, you will get to know about the process and step by step guide to get your Australian immigration. Yes. So, here are a few steps that you need to consider before going into that. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand what the eligibility is. Eligibility means that you need to have certain minimum requirements for Australian immigration for Australia to invite you. So these can be about your age, about your education, about your English requirement, and yes, you should have a minimum of 65 points in that eligibility criteria and eligibility calculator. Number two is skills assessment. Yes, you need to get your skill and education assessed with your assessing body. For example, in case of physiotherapist, it is Australian Physiotherapy Council in Australia. And yes, for other occupations, there are other certain assessing bodies, for example, vet assess for others. So you need to search about that. Number three, submission of expression of interest. Expression of interest, as the name indicates, that you need to show interest that yes, you are interested in Australia to give you an invite. So it's an online application that you have to fill in, and it's one of the most important step in that. Number four, state nomination. If you are looking for state nomination, for example 190 visa or 491 visa, I'm just talking about immigration. So there are certain states that require ROI as well. So if you are not understanding EOI, ROI, whatever, so you have to look up to my shorts in which I have explained everything. So yeah, कुछ जो states हैं उनको ROI चाहिए होता है. For example, Victoria needs separate ROI application, so you need to do that. Number five, the most awaited and the most important that everybody dreams of is invitation. Yes, invitation and application. The state or the federal government, they nominate you. Yes, they invite you. They give you the invitation. Oh, please, Mariam, please, Sarah, please, Abdullah, please, Ahmad, whatever, whoever you are, please come on and submit your application. Number six is medicals and police clearance certificate. So there are a few people who submitted beforehand before S56 request, but if you haven't submitted that, then you will receive this golden request and then you are gonna submit it and fulfill it. So it means you are very much near to your visa grant. So these were the six steps that you need to follow just blindly, and then you will get your visa grant, whether it's 491, 190, 891, whatever it is. So all the very best. Watch the video, save it, share it with your friends, comment below if you want to know more information, because this is what you need. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and to encourage me.